This is the LEUCHTTURM1917 medium A5 dotted hardcover notebook. This is the lemon yellow version. I love the color, it's very vibrant. So far I really like it, but I was surprised with how the paper reacted to one of these pens, which I'll get to at the end of this video. So looking at this notebook, the cover is a hardcover, it's not leather. Taking a look inside, everything in here is written in 3 languages. We've got German, English, and French. There's a few different pieces of paper in here just thanking you and inviting you to their Thinkers and Writers Club. The page weight is kind of thin. We'll talk about that in a little bit. There are 2 content pages, and then there are 251 writing pages. In the back, you get stickers for the front and the sides, so you can keep track of these as you put them on your bookshelf. The back also has a little gusset back here. This is the pen loop that does not come with it. You have to buy it separately, and it sticks right on so that you can hold your pen. I'll review that in a different video. But taking a look at the pages themselves, it is on the thinner side, which is great if you're just taking notes. There are 27 dots across and 38 dots down, which means there are 26 columns and 37 rows of dots. I did a few writing samples of different pens to see how they look on the backside. The notebook does open flat, so you can both write without having to hold it down and keep it on the page that you're on. It comes with 2 bookmarks that complement the cover color. The elastic band has nice tension on it, keeping everything tight so you don't get too much flapping. As you can see, the dots are a fairly dark color, making them easy to see, but they are small enough that they're not distracting. The notebook is about 8 1/4 inches tall by a little bit more than 5 3/4 wide. The depth is 3/4 deep. So outside of the content pages, all the other pages are dotted. The only blank page I came across was between the contents and the notebook pages. I found the color that I received to be pretty true to what I saw in the posting. I would expect the same for the other color options. The LEUCHTTURM1917 notebook is made in Germany. One thing I will note is the notebook took longer than expected to arrive. It took 7 days after ordering for it to be delivered. And getting back to the quality of the pages and what I was surprised by. So knowing how thin the pages were, I was expecting some ghosting. Ghosting is when you can see this page's writing on the other side. But what I was not expecting was to see that a marker actually bleeds through. This is a functional notebook for me and not really trying to make it super artsy. So I'm not really worried about this ghosting. I don't intend to use a Sharpie in here. I just wanted to see how much bleed I would get through these thinner pages. So one of the benefits of having thin pages, of course, is that you have a lighter notebook. And this is overall pretty light. I feel like this won't add much weight to a backpack or just carrying it around. So that is the LEUCHTTURM1917 notebook in lemon yellow. I'm pretty excited to be using it.